So today, I'm back after a little bit of a hiatus. Let's go ahead. Okay, my dog's starting to line up now. It's not playtime right now, buddies. I'm sorry. It's lay down time. It's lay down time. Okay, yes. Hello. Okay, go lay down. Go lay down. Don't eat the cat's food. Go lay down. Sorry about no cat food for you, sir. Go lay down. Thank you. Anyways, as I was saying, here we are in Trailer Makers again. We're gonna go. Let's build. My son wanted to build a F-117 stealth fighter, the Nighthawk. I'll get to that eventually. Don't worry, Rowan. I'll get to that. Today I'm gonna try and do something a little bit easier than that, because that's be a tough plane to build. We'll get to it though. Let's try and build some type of passenger airline. I don't know. You know what? Let's just wing it. Let's wing it. Let's see. Wing it. Ha. You guys excited for the 2.0 version coming out? I know I am. Alright, I'm going to do this. We're going to leave an aisle in the middle. Should we do two? Let's do one. Let's do one each. Alright, let's do this. 1, 2, 4, 6. Make 8 passengers. Alright, we're going to make all these passenger seats. So, we can't do that yet. So, let's connect them. How are we going to do this? 4x8. Yeah, that works. 4x8, 4x8. Okay. Alright, so now all these are going to be passenger seats. Can I make them all passenger seats? Oh, no. Hold on a second. Boom, boom. There. They're all passenger seats. And they are all passenger. And there it is. Alright. So that is going to be our fuselage. The bottom of it. Let's I can't wait for the 4x1 at this block. That's gonna be so nice. In the meantime, we'll have to use this. And okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, how am I gonna do it? Windows. We have windows here, right? Yeah, we got windows. Where are the windows at? Windows. Airplane window. Let's go. Airplane window there. Yeah. Everyone gets a window seat. Everyone gets a window seat. Let's see here. Where are we on frames? Alright. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's leave that like that. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. I also can't wait for that 2x2 block. That's going to be a huge lifesaver. Okay. You know what we might do though, actually? You know what we might do? Gee, do I want to do that? Let's see what happens. Let's see how much complexity the seats have if I do this. We're going to try to round this out a little bit. So we're going to go like this. We're going to go like that. You know what? Let's do 2x1. Like that. Like that. Like that. Get rid of this guy there. Get rid of that guy there. They're no longer attached. Let's do. I don't want to do this. No, leave this like this. Or we're just gonna leave this like this. Like that. I'll leave that like that for now. Alright, we're gonna leave that like that. And then we're gonna get aerodynamics. We're gonna go. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Here it is. This. That. Oh boy, is that the 2x1? Yeah, it's a 2x4. I think I'm gonna want this a little bit wider, so let's do this. We're gonna move this. We're gonna do this actually. Check this out. We're gonna do that. We're gonna move. Let's just do it there. We're gonna take this guy here. It's always fun when you're making a rounded shape out of something that's not round. Kind of like this. That's going to be huge. Oh my goodness, that's going to be huge. So let's not do that, because that's going to be way too big. We're going to want to do something a little bit different. Oh boy, how do I want to do this? Should we just take these? Oh, not those. That ain't going to work, is it? These guys? And just do this? What do you guys think? Is this acceptable for a airplane fuselage if we do that? And then we do it on the top as well. I don't like the way it's flat like that though. I don't like that. But I like the windows there. Oh, okay. You know what? I think we're going to settle with that. I think we'll settle with that. Don't have much of a choice, do we? We'll go back to the 4x8 here. Alright, go back to that 4x8 there. Go like this. We're gonna go put that right there. Right up and over and copy. Alright. So there's going to be our fuselage, if you will. I'm going to go boom. Like that. Copy it down one more. Alright, so there's our basic fuselage, where the passengers are going to sit. We'll be able to carry at least 8 other players. Actual players, not just turbos. Those are player seats. Let's see here. How do we want to do this? So we want a cockpit, right? We want something. Yeah, I hear you. So does everybody else. Okay, good boys. Okay. Operator seat. We're going to want 2 operator seats, I think. But first, let's make the... Let us make the cockpit. So, you know what? We're gonna do one more forward here. I'm gonna go one more forward, one more forward, one more forward. Whoop! I deleted it. One more forward. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna bring these up like that. I'm gonna get rid of this tail end back here, like that. So that's going to go like that. I'm going to move in some 2x4x1 blocks. You know what? Should we build a door here? What do you think? Should we build a door? Yeah, let's build a door. Okay, here's what we're going to do for a door. I'm going to take this. We're going to take 4. No, we don't want a 4x1 wedge. We want to go around a 2x4. Is that going to be too big? Yeah, it might be too big for a door. Let's do this. Let's do that. We're going to put a hinge. Door's gonna open. Which way should the door? Door's gonna open outward. Door's gonna open outward from this end here. Okay, hinge there. We'll put another hinge there. 2 hinges there. We're gonna put the 1x2 right there, like that. And we're gonna put a. We want this block like that and like that. And then this one, actually, we want to go. No, we want that. Yeah, we want that block up there. We want this block up here and down here, like that, just like that. And then we do another block. Oh wait, nope, not that. We're gonna do an angle block. We're gonna do this guy here a wedge, because this does not have any like that. So now none of that's connected to this, right? Hey, how did I delete that seat? Get back in there, you. Alright, so now what we gotta do is cover up these hinges. So that's gonna get done by a couple of shield blocks. So we're gonna do this. Actually, it's one shield block, actually. So we can do that. And we can do that. So now, which way this hinges going? They're going out. Okay, so what we do here, we're going to put a temporary seat on here just so we can control it and make sure it works. And most people go ahead and use like a thing like this, but you see that's already too small. It ain't going to work. We're going to have to use one of these seats. So for now we're going to do this. We'll click on these guys here, go to configure. We'll make the doors on an A. We're going to toggle them. Speed 1 is fine. Steering wheel, we don't need a steering wheel on that. Let's go angle 90 degrees. Like that. Then we hit A. It opens up. It's a quick and simple way to make a door. Pretty cool, I think. I let all your passengers in and out. Yeah, they're gonna have to figure out how to get up there though. So let's go here. And you can get in there. Oh goodness. Ah. Whoop. And we might have to make that one taller. So we're gonna make this one taller. Yeah, it's gonna have a lot of headroom here. They don't get a lot of headroom. So we're gonna make this 1 or 2 blocks taller actually. Let's go this one. Let's go 1 block taller. Give them a little more headroom. Make this door a little bit more safe, I guess you'd say. I don't know. I'll put that up there like that. And then we can do 2 small shield blocks, the 2x1s. There and there. That makes our door. Oh, that's no longer attached. Goes like that. Goes up like that. Go like that. What we'll do here is go to a 3x1 wedge. That covers our door. So let's put in. You know what? Let's do this. Oh wait, we can't do that. No, we can't do that. We need to have that attached. That's not going to be attached if we do that. So we're going to have to do a 1x4. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, see how that looks. Door still opens. Can I get in? Alright, we can get in. Can't really walk down the aisle though, can I? Alright, should we make this wider then? Make it more square looking? Oh, should this... You know what? Sometimes this happens. We're going to scrap that. We are going to go with the... Trying to round this thing out. Let's see how big of a... I should say small of a fuselage we can make here. Let's get one of these seats. Let's get a window. Airplane window. So that's going to be the airplane window there. Oh. There's that. Where's that airplane window? Airplane window. Let's go with, keep clicking the same. I mean, that looks much better as a profile of the fuselage, but it's kind of big, isn't it? Isn't that kind of big? Or is it just me? I don't know. I don't know if I'm feeling this. I don't know if I'm feeling this, guys. What do you think? Let's put the seats in there and see what it looks like. Alright, we'll see what it looks like. Let's get some seats in here. Let's get some passenger seats in this thing. See how gigantically huge this is. This will be a seat there. Gives me 2 spaces in between. And we're gonna go. Let's do a 2x4 wedge. There, like that. Hold that all in. Hold that all in. And then we're gonna go with a... Ooh, this is ugly. See, this is a problem right here. This is where we run into an issue of it won't fit. Do that. Try and make somewhat modular design here. Somewhat modular. Well, we can do that there, like that. And then we can do a 2x4. Like that there. Same thing goes up on top. So that's that. And now we need to connect to these bits, which we can literally just do that. So there is essentially our fuselage. Seat there, there, and there. There's our fuselage. Boy, how many times can I copy this? Let's see. Because we gotta remember, we got a configurator. These are all the passenger seats. What am I making right now? I don't even know what I'm making. So, we got 1, 2, 3. I think that's good enough. That's because that's a lot right there. That's a lot of seats. What is it, Spirit Airlines? No. Okay, so we got to do some readjusting on these seats here. So we're going to do some readjusting on these seats here. Let's see what we got here. Ain't gonna work. Let's move one back like that. Now we're flying a Delta, apparently. Go like that. I'll put a 3 block in here. Let's do a 3 like that. Completely different from what we started with, but overall I think it does it better. We just gotta make sure we can actually do this. You know what I'm saying? So there is your... You know what? Why don't we do something like what looks like a overhead luggage? So we're gonna do this. I mean, you need to store your luggage, right? You gotta store your luggage. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Boom, boom. Should I pull out one more? No, we're gonna look like that. Try and set up complexity at least a little bit. There. Now that looks like the inside of an airplane. So there's 8. Three sections. But that still looks weird, doesn't it? With that like that, man, I don't really like that. I don't like that one bit. Because if you look at airplanes, the windows are all symmetrical. Not symmetrical; they're all evenly spaced. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna space them out evenly. That's what we're gonna do. So not everybody gets a window seat, huh? You kind of do, but you kind of don't. Boom, 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 boom. And then we'll just copy and paste that other side over to this side. I do play with a controller, an Xbox controller, Xbox style controller, so things are a little different for me when I'm playing. Well, I guess the good thing is I haven't hit close to complexity yet. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So there's our fuselage-ish, kind of, sort of. I need to make a place for the wings, so I need to make a place for the pilot. Let's make our door again. So the door this time is going to be a little bit different because I kind of have less to work with here. But it might be a little bit easier because we can do this. Like that. Put the hinges... I don't like hinges. Hinges. There we go. Like that, like that. Get 2, 3 blocks here. 1 by 3s. Boom, boom. Like that. And get our shield block. There is our door. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. There's our door. Do this. I'm concerned about that right now. Go like this, something like that. I'm gonna make one more. one more section here. I actually don't want the windows on this one. We do not want windows. What we want are the 2x4s. Like that. And on this side we're going to go with a we're going to go with angle block. Like this. Boom, boom, like that. Now, what we want to do here is do something that's going to look like a wall. We're going to do a wall. So let's do that. Get some room here. That. This might be a multi-part video. I don't know how long this is going to take me, so this might be part one of a 2-part, 3-part, some type of part video. We'll find out. We'll find out how far this goes. I don't like that there. Can I put that like that and that stays? It does. Okay. So, we're going to partition this off again. You know what? Since we're doing that, give this little partition here. We can do this. Boom. Boom and boom. Okay. So our fuselage is looking pretty good. Very small airplane. Very small airplane. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 24 passenger aircraft. I wonder what aircrafts, I have a friend that knows if there's any such aircraft in existence, or ever has been. I personally don't know. I'm totally winging this. I'm not basing on any design whatsoever. Let's see how that door works. So let's put in a seat. An operator seat. Let's see if our door works. We're gonna roll. Oh wait. I think it will work. We just gotta program it correctly. Yep, didn't do that, did we? Oh, where's it at? Alright, so we want to go A, toggle, turn that off, 90 degrees. 90, and steering wheel down to 0 because we don't need steering wheel on that. Speed 1. Can I get into my aircraft? First person view. I can. Still can't make it down the roads. Oh man. You can't be. Oh. You can't be. Oh. You can make it down if you jump. Come on, get me at the back of the airplane. I'm trying to get out. Yeah. Ugh. That was tight. Alright. Luggage compartment down. Bottom. Yeah, that's where the luggage goes. Totally. Yep. Uh-oh. We're gonna have a loss of cabin pressure if that happens again. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, that's not good. I think I see the problem here. Alright, here's what we're going to do about that. Come up here. Delete that. Delete that. We're going to do this again. And just come up like that. And we're going to put in... Oh, see my complexity. 2 and 2. Like that. Let's see if that works better. Still a little glitchy, but at least it opens up, right? At least it opens up. That's all I care about. Spoke too soon. Test until failure, people. Test until failure. Alright. So there's our fuselage. You know what's going to be great? How much? I'll save 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 complexity when we get those new blocks and the new 2x1s. It's going to be so wonderful. I'll probably save complexity up here too with the new 4x6 block also. It's going to be amazing. Can't wait for that update to come out. So many cool things. Okay, so let's work on some type of windshield. I think we're going to have to use a wedge corner. Okay, I'll delete that. How are we going to do this? I have an idea of what the front of an aircraft looks like, but like we all have that same idea, right? We all know what the front of an aircraft looks like. We all do, right? Let's thin this out 2 more. We'll start shaping the front end of this, I think, maybe? Oh, what the heck happened there? Let's delete that. I don't know what the heck that was. That was weird. Let's go like this. I just want the outside ring of the aircraft. 1, 2. This would be where the kitchen area would be, I guess you could say, like the flight attendants sit. Or you know what? Let's make that one smaller. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna just like that. I'm gonna bring this across there like that. See, that's where the 2x6 would bring me some complexity up, because that'd be 1 block instead of 3. It would be phenomenal. We've been recording for quite a minute here, so I'm going to probably leave it here. So this is the fuselage of our aircraft. Let's see how much complexity we're at. So we take one of these sections here and just multiply it down. So there's 379. See, let's leave these 1 by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Uh-oh. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 116. So 116, so 379 minus 116. So 263 complexity right now. 255 blocks, 263 complexity. Now I guess we could have just done it this way. Yeah, so we could have done it by adding 8 to the number of current blocks we have up here. So the number of current blocks is 255, but these have a complexity of 5. So we could have literally just added 8 to that number and got 263. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. Anyways, yeah, I think I'm going to end it here, folks. Like and subscribe. I know it's been a while, but I'm going to continue this build until it's done. It's going to be a multi-part build. We'll have, going to try and have functionally landing gear, some wing flaps that actually work, like actual wing flaps. We'll see how far we can get with this with the complexity one we have. I do have a complexity mod, so maybe I'll enable that if it gets too crazy. Maybe I'll do like a simple version that I can fly around on other people's servers, and I'll do like a more complex version so we can figure out, make some cool wings and some wing flaps and whatnot. We'll figure it out. Anyways, have a good day, and we'll see you guys later.